Understanding Harmony and Unity, a guide to English idiomatic expressions. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, harmony and unity. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but a reflection of a deep and meaningful concept. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply interested in English idioms and expressions, this video will offer valuable insights into how this phrase is used and what it truly means. So, let's dive in and discover the essence of harmony and unity. Harmony and unity is an idiomatic expression composed of two key words, harmony and unity. Harmony refers to a state of agreement, peace, and understanding among different parts or elements. It's often used to describe music, relationships, and social situations. On the other hand, unity signifies the state of being united or joined as a whole. It's a concept widely used in social, political, and personal contexts. By combining these two words, the phrase, harmony and unity, symbolizes the beautiful and peaceful coexistence within a group, society, or even within oneself. It suggests that when individuals or elements come together and unite, a harmonious and balanced situation is achieved. This phrase is often used in contexts where the importance of working together and being in agreement is highlighted. For instance, in a team setting, a leader might say, "We need to maintain harmony and unity to achieve our goals efficiently." In a cultural context, it might be used to describe how diverse cultures can coexist peacefully, like, "This festival is a perfect example of harmony and unity among different communities." It's also used metaphorically to describe the internal state of an individual, such as, "Finding harmony and unity within oneself is essential for personal peace and happiness." For English language learners, understanding phrases like harmony and unity is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it enriches your vocabulary and helps you comprehend more complex texts. Secondly, it allows you to engage in deeper, more meaningful conversations in English. And finally, it gives you insight into cultural values and societal ideals prevalent in English-speaking countries. In summary, the phrase, harmony and unity, is more than just words. It's a principle that encourages cooperation, peace, and collective well-being. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate this beautiful expression. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the cultural and philosophical aspects embedded within. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay curious and keep learning.